Let me tell you, I don't even know why they put a ban. Because these are high value crops that will bring returns.
Even though the growing of cannabis is still illegal, the State Minister for Agriculture is convinced that the country is ready for growing the high-quality cannabis for medicinal purposes.
After the colonial government, it would have been disastrous if Uganda went into. Uganda would have turned it, and we didn't have capacity. You remember? When the Indian went, the economy collapsed. Now, suppose we had such a crops here, Uganda would have turned into Cambodia and Colombia. But now that we have the capacity, and these are high value crops which are needed in the medical health industry, which is a key for building human capacity, we must think twice. And we must focus there so that we invest there.
The history of medicinal cannabis goes back to ancient times. Most people were prescribed marijuana for medical purposes, use it to alleviate severe pain. Marijuana is listed among the high-value crops globally, and it's on this backdrop that Uganda looks set to lift the ban and change the law, pave way for the legal growing of cannabis.
The Minister of Health, the Minister of Agriculture, and of course Internal Affairs said wait until we sort out the legalities, because the production of those crops was made illegal by colonial governments, and that is the law as we talk. And therefore there is nowhere you can invest your money in illegality. Some of you will go to court and accuse government and also an investor, but we have told them, you wait, we are working on the policy and the law.
In Uganda, the consumption of drugs such as marijuana is linked to crime and immoralities. Therefore, this calls for capacity building and regulations before farmers can be supplied with seeds for commercial production of marijuana. Dennis Igoa for UBC News.